In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a card on Trello. Whether you're collaborating with your team or simply want to keep someone updated, sharing a Trello card is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be given the option to log in using your email or your Google account. Enter your credentials and hit enter to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Now it's time to navigate to your boards. Look around for the Your Workspaces section, which is usually prominently displayed. You'll want to click on the workspace you're currently working within, or the one where the card you'd like to share is located. Next, find and open the specific board that holds the card you're interested in sharing. Once you're inside your board, simply scroll through your lists to find the card you need. Click on the card to open it. You may need to wait a moment for the details to load depending on your internet speed. Now that your card is open, look towards the right side of the card window and you should see a share button. Clicking on this will bring up multiple options for sharing the card with others. One popular method is to copy the link provided, which you can then paste into a message or email to share it directly with friends, family, or colleagues. This method ensures that the recipient can view all the details associated with the card. Alternatively, if you prefer not to share a link, you can opt for a more visual approach. There's an option to show a QR code. Simply click on Show QR Code and a unique code will be generated for you. From there, just hit download to save it to your device. Once saved, you can share this code by any means you prefer, such as in presentations or printed materials. Another cool feature Trello offers is the ability to embed this card elsewhere. A coding snippet is provided that allows you to insert the card into web pages or other online platforms that support HTML embedding. This can be particularly useful if you're working on project pages or collaborative websites. Lastly, you have the option to share the card via email directly. Simply copy the provided link dedicated for email and then paste it into an email to send it off. This way the recipient can access the card immediately through their email client. And there you have it. A few simple steps to make Trello work for you in sharing important information efficiently. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.